Welcome to our today's feature presentation, Pro Day Trading Strategies. We highly recommend that as a private investor, you operate with risk-limited strategies. Day trading is one way of doing that, and I want to share here a couple of examples how you can be different and how you can make a difference to your trading. Before we go into our examples, let us talk about predictability. When you trade mainstream time frames, you might expose yourselves that it's pretty obvious where your stops sit, and those make it attractive to those who can to move the price there, and then you get stopped and everything continues in the direction that you had assumed, but you're no more in the trade. To prevent that, we want to do something different. You better act being unpredictable, so not obvious of what you do, when and how, and still work with a high probability system. That's what I'm going to show here to you. High probability starts with us within winning more than 65% of the time. And it has to be repetitive. You will see in our examples that these actions repeat themselves over and over, and easy execution because you can work with buy stop and sell stop orders, and you always know at any point where your stop is and where your exit is at the positive target. My name is Thomas Barman. I'm your presenter today, and I want to make you aware of the risk in trading and that I'm here as a trader and educator, not as a broker, dealer, or financial advisor. The chart you see shows the never loss trading top line setups for crude oil futures, and I highlighted the day where not too much was going on, but still that's the challenge the system was producing January 15 of 2021, and I go even into the morning of 17, 18, 19 and show you what the system had produced as opportunities for you. The chart contains very highly valuable information for you. What you see, for example, here with the SPU, that's the speed unit, that's the price you trade for. So that means here in crude oil, 25 cents or $250 per contract. Then it shows you an idea about the trend, but it tells you where the target for the individual entry is, where you enter and where the stop is, and the relation of risk and reward. So that means here favorable 1.1 for a dollar of risk, you'd get a dollar of 10 of reward. So that's what you see here on the top. But then we spell out with the system individual trade situations, as you see here, situation 1, situation 2, situation 3, and they always have a price threshold. So if the price of the next candle drops below 53.03, there is a trade, and you see where the target is, but not only here on the dashboard, you also see the target with a dot, and it has to be confirmed. One key thing with us, we call it a purple zone because we color uptrends in blue, downtrends in red, and when they mix, so have no directional idea, then we have the purple zone. And after a purple zone, you see here a directional price move usually occurs, and then we can trade with that, highlighted by the individual spelled out price thresholds, and when they are surpassed, like in here, in the next candle we carry them out, bring them to target, and close the trade. With our system on hand, on a dull day like January 15, you had 3 opportunities by just trading one contract to make $250 by just following those price thresholds and trading on those indications. And we also have like a time-based or candle-based orientation. We should get to target in about 5 bars. Sometimes it's faster, but after 5 bars then we do a revision. And we teach all of that in individual hours to you and more, because that's just one little thing out of a full arena of opportunities that we share with you in our mentorships. Your question at this point might be, does that only work for crude oil? Absolutely not. And here I highlighted an example for the ES, the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. And you see here, again, we have 2 trade situations that we highlighted, and you saw they occurred throughout the trading day. Again, ambiguity in the purple zone. Then we highlighted the trading opportunity with a clear-cut target, and there we had a turnaround opportunity. And would you say, why'd you take it? Because we look with these gray boxes in the background. If they tile to the bottom, we go short. If they tile to the upside, like here, then we go long. and we bring ourselves to target. In particular, when we have a breakout situation like here, there is a little more that you can trade for. But we teach all of this in individual units, hour by hour, working together, and you will learn also how to focus on multiple streams of income so that you are not only tied down to one or two instruments, that you can invest in all your accounts with clear-cut entries, exits, and stops. Here's our offer to you. We install all the indicators for you. We set up the charts, and you execute with your broker of choice. But you need to see the charts because they indicate what happens here with these two examples at the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, where those futures are listed and your orders go directly to the market at any platform. But we use Thinkorswim to bring all these charts together for you, and you can execute at NinjaTrader or TradeStation or wherever you execute your orders. And what we also teach you is multiple strategies, so that you're not only tied down to what I just showed you. There's multiple ways of making money, and it's fruitful. And we do this in a co-work with you over 2 months of coaching. And you also receive day by day the alerts highlighting in which arena do we have assets that have a price move indication to the up or to the downside. And this is what you learn in 10 hours of individual training at your best available time. Also, we work on weekends, and you learn new ways of trading. You'll see how we do risk limited trading here with the day trades that I showed you, but there's other things possible, and we have many years or many decades even of experience and also documentation of what we share with you. So we focus with you on multiple streams of incomes from multiple strategies, and the investment to take is $6,500 here for NLT Topline Lite. It's a lighter version of Topline, which is $10,000 product, but we make a special feature offer because we want to help you in 2021 to be in the market and to execute at high probability setups. The question is not only what you invest, the question is how fast can you have it back. And when you saw within just one day having a $750 opportunity on crude oil, it doesn't take that many days to pay back your investment. But all depends on the number of trades that you can execute per day and the amount of contracts that you are trading. So payback goes quick. Often our students make their payback in about 1 month period or even sometimes shorter, but that all depends on your available time and the number of trades you can execute. When we are working together, we share with you multiple trades or multiple systematics of how to go to market. Analytical, logical, you saw we operate with price thresholds so that you can use buy stop, sell stop orders with clearly defined targets and also candle based exits. Decision making, how to make those decisions over and over, evaluate the situation quick and move on it. Be longer term oriented, so that means also trade all your accounts, even your 401k or your IRA, aside from the day trading. Be open and accept change, because change is there, and with the purple zone you see when there's ambiguity and you better not trade, or then when it's over and the direction is found that you trade along with it. And how to handle setbacks here, because if you work with a high probability trading system, you should win more than you lose, and with that you have less of the aggravations that you get stopped and then the price continues on. And we work with you, what's your affinity to risk, so how much risk are you comfortable with, so that you can execute your orders over and over and you can sleep well. And we work on knowledge management, because definitely you will learn new ways of going to market when working with us, always risk limited, being prepared day by day and execute on the opportunities that arise. So that's a big package. Therefore, we work together for 10 hours. Every session will be prepared to your individual wants and needs. So it will not only be those two opportunities with crude oil and futures on day trading. We can add to them, but if you only want to do those day trades or some others, then we show you how that can be put into your program. We made a study and found out that 76% of the retail traders are losing money trading, in particular day trading. To make a change to that, we want to help you. If you wanted to read deeper into the topic, write us an email to contact@neverlosttrading, subject pro day trading. I have a whole article that I can share with you, on that topic and matter, but the key will be how you can make a difference. Yeah, and this is here January 17, 18, 19, where officially the stock market was closed, but still with those futures, you see clear-cut opportunities, and there's these lines on, we call lime lines. So first opportunity came off the lime line to the upside. So you see here the boxes are tiling up to the upside. Second opportunity, and basically now at the second lime line, most likely that trend is over, but it gave us, even at days where the market is closed, opportunities to trade along with clearly cut buy stop orders, and here on two situations that you could have followed. If you want to be part of this and experience how our systems work live, call our office 866-455-4520 or contact@neverlosttrading.com, and we schedule a consulting hour for you and with you so that we can see what we can jointly achieve. We are more than 10 years in business with Never Lost Trading. And never loss trading comes from the idea that for certain strategies we repair the trade, never stop loss trading, but that was a bit lengthy. But the basis of our decisions are algorithms that spot and follow institutional money moves. And if you want to be part of that, then contact at neverlosttrading.com, because we have to limit the opportunity on Never Lost Trading Top Line Lite that I offer here, because that's usually not available in our standard offer. It's just a seasonal special. Be part of it, and we are looking forward to hearing back from you. Bye-bye.